On Friday, the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission (EFCC) arraigned the former Minister of Aviation, Senator Stella Oduah, before the Federal High Court sitting in Abuja on a 25-count charge. They are being charged with conspiracy, money laundering, and maintaining anonymous bank accounts with First Bank Plc, with about 7.9 billion naira involved. Other defendants in the charge marked FHC/ABJ/CR/316/20 are Gloria Odita, Mosu Emmanuel Nnamdi, Chukwuma Irene Chinyere, Global Offshore and Marine Limited, Tip Top Global Resources Limited, Crystal Television Limited, and Sobora International Limited. However, the defendants who were docked before trial Justice Inyang Ekwo pleaded not guilty to the charge when it was read to them in the open court. The anti-graft agency, among other things, alleged that Oduah, who also represented Anambra North in the Senate, and Odita, who was identified as her aide and the company secretary to Sea Petroleum and Gas Company Limited, SPGC, had in February 2014 used their position to transfer the sum of 1,629,250,000 naira from ISEC Security Nigeria Limited account number 2021756955 with First Bank Plc to Global Offshore and Marine Limited account number 2022977296, also domiciled with First Bank Plc, as money they reasonably ought to have known formed part of the proceeds of an unlawful act. The defendants were accused of opening a Naira Anonymous private banking nominee account number 20244144450 with First Bank Plc, and thereby committed an offence contrary to Section 11, subsection 1 of the Money Laundering Prohibition Act 2011 as amended, and punishable under Section 11, subsection 4A of the same Act. They were equally accused of opening United States dollar anonymous private banking nominee account number 20244144498 with First Bank Plc, and thereby committed an offence contrary to Section 11, subsection 1 of the Money Laundering Prohibition Act 2011 as amended, and punishable under Section 11, subsection 4A of the same Act. Following the defendant's plea of innocence to all the allegations, Trial Justice Ekwo allowed them to go home on the administrative bail the EFCC had earlier granted them. More so, the court directed the EFCC to transfer the case file to the Office of the Attorney General of the Federation to ensure diligent prosecution of the defendants. Justice Ekwo adjourned the case till October 17 for trial. Although the charge was filed in 2020, the EFCC could not prosecute the defendants owing to a petition they wrote to the immediate past Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice, Abubakar Malami. Malami had urged the court to put the trial on hold to enable him review the case file. However, he subsequently gave the EFCC the nod to go ahead with the trial of the defendants.